Chisel Blender has short bristles, makes it easier for precision brush work. If you load the straight edge flat, you can get very fine lines. Just press the brush as you load it. We can also use it for different types of brush strokes. Because of the short bristles, it maintains really nice, sharp edges. This brush can also be used to blend areas. It's kind of a version of dry brushing, even though our brush is not fully dry. The brush is wet, but the paint is drying out by the time it gets down here and we're getting a broken edge. It's really nice. Okay, then I'm going to grab a little bit of purple. I was using ultramarine blue there. The shorter the bristles, the more control you have. And I'm going to use the edge of my brush. Some of that. Press my brush flat. I'm trying not to get it up into the ferrule here. I may have to clean my brush out here in a minute because I don't want to get that paint up there. It makes it hard to get it clean. Okay, and I'm just going to go back and forth. I have it on its edge here. I'm just going to kind of go back and forth over that edge